Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk about something that every business does, but very few do correctly, and that is giving discounts. So let's imagine you walk into a store and you see a 30% ad and you feel like you are winning. But on the back end side, let's say that business is losing money on every sale. So normally that what most businesses do. They see discount as a gut feeling strategy. Let's run the sales. Let's get more revenue. Let's give more discount. But that discount can actually show a negative impact on our profit margins as well. So in this video, we will try to look at the discount effectiveness on our retail data set to see how much discount is effective and on what category and on what product, because ultimately discount is not like a single number that we can give on every product. Discount is something that will be very specific to the region, very specific to the goal that we want to achieve. So we need to be very sure about that. So I will discuss about different business questions that we can answer from the dashboard that I have built. So let's jump right into it.
Now, let me tell you why I personally choose this project. When I was looking at real business dataset, I kept noticing one pattern. Companies had decent sales numbers on paper, but their profit was surprisingly low. And when I dug deeper, the culprit was almost always the same thing: uncontrolled, unanalyzed discounting. Discounts were being given across all categories, across all regions, and all customer segments with zero visibility into whether they are helping or hurting. So I thought, what if I build a dashboard that answers this clearly? A dashboard where any sales manager, any business owner can open up and within 60 seconds know where are like discounts working, where are they destroying values, and what should we do about it. So that's what we are going to see today. So we are working with a small retail data set, and let me show you the data set. This is the basic data set. We have a lot of information available over here, and we also have some important information which will be the base for this analysis available here as well. That is sale and then the discount as well. And I have created a couple of custom columns as well, and I will again share the PBX file in the description as well. So here I've actually created a discount band to categorize the discount into five different bands. Firstly, we have zero discount, then 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20, 30, and then 30 plus. And then we have revenue without discount and then the discount amount. And other than that, I've created few measures as well. I'll show you in a while. So, uh, for example, if I just show you the dashboard that I built here, it's the intro page telling the why and then the business questions that we will be answering in this video by performing the analysis. And then we have the discount overview tab where I've quickly showed where the discount is going and its impact overall. And here I've actually also created the drill through page. So let's say we want to look at the discount by paper subcategory within office category. So these are the products and their sales profit and then the average discount. So other than that, if I go to discount versus volume, and this shows how discount is impacting the quantity of different products. So this is what we will be looking now. So the business question one, for example, are our discounts profitably, right? So the first question I want to answer is, let's say if I go over here at 60% average discount, is our business actually profitable? And the answer is barely. So 12% profit margin on 2.3 million in sales sounds okay, but when you look at the metrics table here, look at, for example, supplies, right? So 40, let's say this one, look at supplies, 46,000 in sales and negative 1,189 in profit. They are literally losing money, and their average discount 8%, right? So even moderate discounting in certain subfields is destroying values. This tells us discounting is not being applied with any strategy, right? So other than that, if you look at the all other like category and subcategories, we are seeing some positive values over here, but we need to somehow look deeper into this subcategory and would have to see like why we are negative, getting like negative profit. So in it, for example, there could be some inventory issues or like whatever the case is. For example, um, let's say the people available in that region in which we have the store available don't have really would tend to buy these kind of products, right? So another thing is, let's say, which category are most discount sensitive. So now let's look at which category uh, are responding well to discounts and which are not. So technology, as we can see, like has 13% average discount and delivers the high profit, right? And that's around 145,000. That's solid. If we look at the furniture, we have 17% discount and only 18,000 profit on 7,000 on 74,000. Um, sorry, it's 7,41,999. So that's a terrible return if we just look at the difference over here. And also we explored previously. Let's explore again. Office supplies, 16% discount, and then the profit is 1,22,000, and then sales are this much, 7,19,000, and so this is actually the overall picture. So as already we can see, furniture is the most discount sensitive category over here. In a bad way, higher discounts, very low returns. Okay, and this is where business needs to cut back first. I hope you are getting the point. So next, our business question is, where is discount hurting us most? So let's look at that. For example, if you look at this bar chart, this field here is very favorite on this page, and it directly answers the most important question. So look at the profit margin by discount band, 0%, and then 0 to 10, and all of that. So for 0%, it's a 30% profit margin. Beautiful. For 0 to 10%, we have 17%. And similarly, if you just go down for, let's say, 30 and above, negative 48%, nearly half the revenue is being given away. So the tipping point is crystal clear. The moment you cross 20% line, right, you are operating at a loss. So this one chart alone can change a company's entire pricing policy. And obviously, we can also drill it further down to look at different projects in which we can apply the different discount rate. So now here's a feature like I built specifically for project managers deal through. If I right click on, let's say, for example, I want to look at the supplies. So I will right click over here and I will deal through that. So these are the products we have in supplies under office supply category. So under these, we can see like we have these products. If I just sort it in an ascending order, so we have this product which is giving us very less revenue. Sorry, like in a negative profit. So we need to do something of this, right? What could be the reason for this? So this is how we can also look into the product under different category and subcategory as well. This is powerful because it means a category manager doesn't have to look at averages. They can just go straight at the problem product as well. So let's jump into the tab 2, discount versus volume. This page answers a different angle of the same problem. The classic argument for giving discount is, yes, we can make less per unit, but we sell so many units that it evens out. Let's test that theory with data. So I'll just show you the business question for this. So let's say we are saying that, and by the way, we have covered these all four based on the visuals I showed you over here. So let's jump into this one. Do higher discounts actually move more units? Okay. So let's try to look at the chart, total quantity versus unit. So here, let's say for 0% discount band, we have 18.3K quantity sold with an profit margin of, let's say if I just hover over here, that's above, you can say 20%. That's good. And for the other one, we have 17, we have 12, and if we just cross the line 20%, we have seen that previously. So, and another thing that you notice is, for example, within this, if you can see, like we have very less quantities that actually got sold, and again the but you can see like the profit margin is good for this as well, right? So not only are we making less money per unit, we are also selling fewer units at the highest discount as well. as you can see like over here as well. So this is the most powerful review tool to anyone who says just discount more to sell more. So the data says the opposite. For example, like we are providing good amount of discount over here, but the quantities are not more that are actually being sold, right? So here, like people normally try to apply discount on those things which are normally not selling out. So if we, just apply a discount, then people may get those products. So sometimes businesses do that to get rid of those products as well. This happens. So let's move on to the another question: which states and cities are receiving most heavily discounted? Okay. So over here, as you can see, like we have California at top, in which we are sending or we are, like selling good amount of quantities. And under that, we can drill through by further state and city as well. I've actually added the decomposition tree. It's a good way to look at the root level issue or root level drill through. So California leads, and then let's say when I expand to San Francisco, I can see like distribution across different bands. For let's say 0%, we have it's like dominating over here, and if we just go to some others as well, we will see that as well. So this is useful for regional sales managers. You can filter this by state, by city, and immediately see where high discount orders are concentrated geographically and whether those regions are profitable or not. All right. So to summarize what this dashboard tells us in three sentences: one, discounts beyond 20% are loss making, and that's a hard line. The business should not cross. Number second, furniture is the most problematic category. High discount versus low returns. If you can see over here, yes. At number three, the idea that more discounts equal more volume, completely disproven by the data. If I just go over here, this is what like we have seen over here. So yeah, and that's the full discount effectiveness dashboard built in Power BI using detailed data answering real business questions. So I will attach the link of the PBX file as well. Previously, I was trying to make a step-by-step video into it, but it was taking a lot of time, making my video too long. But if you guys prefer that, I can do comment on this video. I can start making that as well. But for now, I thought to make these dashboards and then just tell the like analysis and perform basically the analysis and then the real questions that we are answering from this dashboard. So yeah, if this video helped you, please like the button. It generally helps the channel grow. And let me keep making content like this. Thank you. Bye bye.